Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks for joining us on Ludicrous Feed today. Hope you're all having a lovely day. Look, I do a lot of reading around electric cars, as I'm sure some of you do as well. But there's a lot of negative press around electric cars for obvious and for not so obvious reasons. But every now and then you come across an article on electric cars which really sings to me, which is really encouraging. And I think today's article which I found was the fact that the NRMA have installed their 5th charger in New South Wales. Now the NRMA stands for the National Roads and Motoring Association, which is our nation's peak advocacy group for motorists, and they've pledged $10 million to install 40 charging locations across New South Wales at a cost of $250,000 per location. They've said that they'll put a charger at every 150 kilometers on every highway in New South Wales, which is fantastic. Now these chargers are rapid chargers, which charge at 50 kilowatts, which is about 200 to 250 kilometers an hour of charge. And they've installed their 5th charger now in Mittagong, next to the Mittagong RSL Club. Now Mittagong is about hour and a half southwest of Sydney in the Southern Highlands. So it's a great alternative to the Goulburn Tesla supercharger if you own a Tesla. If you'd rather stop at Mittagong for a snack or lunch on the way to Canberra or on the way to Melbourne, wherever you're going. But like I said, it's the 5th charger, and hats off to the NRMA for showing this great leadership. I think politicians, guys in Canberra, look at the example the NRMA is showing, and you guys need to start stepping up your game. Like, we elect you guys to help lead us into the future. Let me show you this map where they are currently located. The first one was installed in Sydney Olympic Park, next to the NRMA's headquarters. The second one was installed in Wallsend, which is a suburb of Newcastle. The third one was installed in Jindabyne in the Snowy Mountains. The fourth one was installed in Pacolbin, which is in the Hunter Valley, so a great place to go if you want to do some wine tasting. And the 5th one, as I said, is in Mittagong in the Southern Highlands of New South Wales. It looks like there's going to be a 6th one installed soon in Berry, in the south coast, about, again, hour and a half to 2 hours drive south of Sydney. So guys, fantastic news. The Tesla doesn't have a native ChaDeMo or CCS2 plug, which these chargers use. It's a great excuse for me to go and get one and do a road trip to some of these places to explore them. Just incidentally, these chargers are all Tritium Veefil chargers, which are a great Australian success story, by the way. They've installed chargers all across Australia and also across the world in Europe and the United States. So they're a great company. They're based in Brisbane in Queensland. So guys, in Tritium, if you're listening, if you're watching, hats off to you. You're really helping us as a nation lead into the future of electric cars. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Leave a comment below please if you've used any of these chargers. If you're thinking about an electric car, this is a developing story. Charger number 5 of 40. So 40 electric chargers from the NRMA, and that's one organization. They're going to have chargers every 150 kilometers on our highways and freeways. So that's just, they're very encouraging, knowing that you can go on a road trip and feel confident knowing there's going to be a charger every 150 kilometers. That should help alleviate some of the range anxiety that people feel about driving these electric cars. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Hopefully it's a lovely day wherever you are in this world. And as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos. If you're about to buy a Tesla, use our promo code on screen to score $100 in supercharging credit. Happy charging!